Dog Day in San Francisco, and we stopped for coffee at Home Coffee Roasters to get some funky lattes. And Nova is impatiently waiting for Kylie to get back from the coffee shop, which is so this is the first leg of our walk around the city. We're gonna start in Crissy Fields here, one of Nova's favorite spots to frolic in open grass. And she's off. Okay, so second part is walking up the beach at Crissy Fields, up to the Marina Green and Fort Mason. So we're just walking across the beach here. Got to the Marina Green, which is this big open green space with some food trucks around on the way to Fort Mason. So just another place for Nova to romp around in the grass. Okay, so we're in Fort Mason now. We're going to do a loop around here and then head to Marcel Dog Bakery. But it's a nice little green area as well for pups. Alright, so now we're up on this hill in Fort Mason near the hostel. Fort Mason Hostel?
Hostel International.
Hosteling International, but this is where we stayed when we vacationed to San Francisco in like 2017 before we moved out here. 2019. But yeah, this is like an amazingly cheap spot to stay, like right in the heart of things in San Francisco with free parking. Statue of Philip Burton passed a bill to create the Golden Gate National Recreational Area. and a lot of these green spaces around San Francisco. So there's the bathroom. Hey, we're at the Palm House on Union Street. Nova got laid for the first time in her life. Nova, show your leg. No, no, no. Show your leg. There it is. And we got the island breakfast and the farmer's breakfast. And OJ. So we got Nova the peanut butter bliss, and she's about to get it.
Nova honey dump. I don't know how to even like give this to her.
Is that numbers? Yeah. So now we're cutting through the Presidio on our way to the Palace of Fine Arts. And then we'll loop back to the car along Crissy Field. Finishing off the trip here, we are back on Crissy Fields. Nova is up there. All in all, it was about 6.5 miles. But it was fun. And most importantly, Nova had fun, because this is her day. To sum up the route that we took in this video, and if I zoom in here, give you a better idea. We started here at a parking lot in Crissy Fields and walked across this green space to the beach where dogs can be off leash, so we like walking along that with Nova before cutting in and heading towards Marina Green, which is another green space where dogs can hang out. Before we continued on to Fort Mason and did a loop around Fort Mason, another cool green space. Then we headed up towards Union Street, where there's a lot of cool shopping, and we ate at the Palm House and went to the Marcel Dog Bakery, which is always amazing. And then we kind of closed off the loop by heading through the Presidio, hitting the Palace of Fine Arts, and then finally looping back through Crissy Fields and back to our car. It's about a 7-mile loop, and it's a lot of fun.